tonight Abby's gonna become Chef Abigail.
I'm gonna be making chicken.
Yeah,
Chicken Parmesan.
I'm gonna get salmonella.
Do you think that I will pass the challenge?
Hell no.
Cooking.
No? You?
No.
Okay, so we have all the ingredients here. Thanks to Danny. And then, okay, it was one for the flour, one for the breadcrumbs, and one for what? The egg, right?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I forgot the egg.
Let's see how you crack eggs. Okay. I didn't mean it.
Are you recording?
And we're done. Put it inside the oven. And that's how you make boiled eggs. Yes, Happy's cheating.
I'm not cheating. I said since the beginning that I have to look at the steps. How am I supposed to do something I don't know how to do?
Two hours later.
Yeah, you're not making Kool-Aid.
Because things are about to get serious. They're little flowers.
I mean, you're so short. As in you're short that it fits almost to your knees. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy a lot of those so you can go to the club.
Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo.
You have to lay it flat. It's gonna start crackling and popping.
Like that?
Yeah. Abby, will you marry me?
Yeah? I took it?
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know how to grab it.
Do you want me to help you? Let me help you. I'll flip it outside.
Fuck yeah!
Abby, will you marry me?
Even though I kind of scratched it, I'm sorry.
Never mind, we're getting divorced. Flip the other one. You want to do some graffiti?
This is the only thing that Danny's going to motherfucking do.
What do you want me to spell?
Abby.
Okay.
Or no, you should put subscribe.
Okay. Subscribe.
Wow, guys, you should subscribe. 'Cause, you know, we spelled it out for you.
And we're back, and we're at the hospital.
Yeah, it's recording.
Just put it there. It's gonna drip it. All the oil's gonna drip in there.
We did it. I think we did it. It doesn't look like it's poisoned yet. Hi. It's all about the apron, guys. It's all about the apron.
Come on, Abby. I can't believe you can't open it. You can't open it. We're gonna have to get a divorce.
2 hours later.
Just open it. I didn't even win.
Abby, I was just making around like.
It smells like a pizzeria.
Come on, Mommy.
Cheese.
Cheese, put the Parmesan.
using the HEB Parmesan cheddar cheese.
We're from Texas. Abby, there's no HEB out there.
Really?
Yeah, it's from Texas. Okay, on me.
Taste it. Does it taste?
Like chicken? It's good.
It's not.
Yeah, it's well done.
Abby can cook. Okay, guys. So
We'll
did I
see.
pass?
We'll see you in the hospital like in 3 hours. Salmonella's about to hit in.
Shut up. I think I did a good job. For this is like my first time like cooking without my mom helping like at all. So but that's slow motion. See you guys in
The next video.
bye. Say bye.
Bye. Thank you, baby, for cooking for me. And you didn't tell me to say that, but I love you.
We're gonna watch some Netflix.